Yo, ma. Yo, ma.
What?
Are you sure say your husband no go home?
He no go come. Relax your mind. You don't tell me say na later in the night he go come back.
Great. Because me, I want fire.
I trust you. Yes. But you are doing what you want to quick before you come.
Hey, me, I know the rush. I just like take my time.
Oh, you want to take your time?
Yes.
Oh, no problem. Who be that?
Choma, open the door, G.R.A.
My husband.
My husband.
Why you do like this?
Say you go come preach like this.
Oh, I don't like all these things. You tell me say the night he will come. Why you come now?
I dey come. I want flush toilet.
Wait. Tell her say make he go back. Make me come run, come out. He go come back.
Be like say you dey drink beer. Make my husband go back. I beg you.
We are going to enter now.
Wait.
Make I enter toilet now.
You no fit enter toilet now. You no enter toilet. Wait.
I go come to now.
Wait. You go enter wardrobe.
But this will
The wardrobe dey wrong. Under the bed.
Chonga,
Wait. See, enter that place.
which place?
Wait. You down. Cover your head.
I don't like all these things. I don't like how.
I dey come o.
What do you be all this now? Wait. We'll never open up. Never open.
Go down.
I don't do now.
Welcome, baby.
What's with that lock to open the door for me now? What's all this nonsense? I don't just like this. What's up now?
Baby, I'm so sorry. I was actually in the bathroom when you were not.
Which bathroom? I don't like it. I don't
was
like
about
it.
to flush. I'm sorry. Why are you frowning? What happened?
You are less concerned about that. I don't want.
Okay, would you like to shower and freshen up?
Don't be shower, they do me, I beg. Can you imagine this idiot?
Which idiot?
That land agent. He sold one land to two people. He got us say go give me another one, which I know say na inside bush go carry me go.
That one a double allocation.
Who be this one? What did they do for here? Who be this one? Who be this one?
Surprise!
Who's surprised? Am I doing birthday?
Oh, that land agent. And he has confirmed information about the land you're talking about. That's why I say me come explain everything to you.
I don't understand though. Land agent, where they correct information for me. Yes. Why not come meet me one-on-one? What you want to hide for there? Why you hiding my own room?
Hey, excuse me, man. See, this is the reason why I don't want to come. Your wife say make I hide because I get correct land information for hand. That's why I hide here. As I hide here, say you not comfortable for me. You supposed to be they press me. See, make I tell you, if you want buy land where they no go give you double allocation like the place where you they come from, now only T-Pump Estate they do amo. Yes, T-Pump Estate get land for Abuja, they get for Ibadan, and they get for Ekiti. Now the correct information be that all the land get certificate of occupancy. It they affordable, it they genuine, and currently the law be say then they do 50% discount off all the land.
You see that?
Yes, that's not the information make me I get. Your wife can't talk to me, I can't hide. Can't give you that information.
Oga, why you no come meet me one-on-one now? Why you dey hide from me?
It's your wife. The different wife get different ways to show their husband. You see, and I tell you, I don't want to do this thing. I tell you, see her now. See as I dey sweat.
I'm so sorry.
You think say easy?
You sure say all this when they talk now, real?
I don't lie for you before.
Hey, now the thing where me and they talk make you listen to. Now that one dey very, very important. Go to Pumpy Concept Office now and go buy your land. Aha. And that 50% where me and they follow you talk. It go end by 4th of June. So carry your body, go there. Take advantage and become a landowner. We go give you peace of mind. They follow me talk nonsense. You were supposed they praise me. You think it's easy to give you such information? Madam, I beg, my balance.
Oga, no worry, I go send your balance. I'm so sorry, please.
But Choma, tell me the truth. Who is that man?
A land agent.
Land agent.
You can visit our Abuja office at number 12 Monrovia Street off Aminu Kano Crescent, Wuse to Abuja. Our Ekiti office, number 9 Obafemi Adebolu Street, G.R.A. Onigari. Ibadan office, number 12 Oladokun Street, New Bodija, Ibadan. You can also reach us on all social media platforms. T-Pumpy Concept, the developer that cares.